at a water park.
Delicious!
So cool!
This pool party's still kind of boring.
Maybe we should bring a surprise.
Good idea.
30 minutes later.
The foam party machine's delivered.
Let's get it up on the tower. Foam spray. Attach it underneath the machine. Want to test this foam maker?
Yeah, sure. Oh, that foam shot straight into the far pool.
Woo! Awesome!
Wow, this is exactly what our pool party needed.
Let's foam up the whole party.
How to build the foam maker. Number 1, build the rotating motor. The gear. Now put it inside the housing. Connect to battery box. Number 2, build the foam spray head. This head can rotate and spray foam in all directions. The top module is done. I'll build the bottom module. Now I make a nozzle for the foam output. It has 2 nozzles. Attach the head to the body. Now the spray head can rotate 360 degrees. Foam spray. I'll try using the foam spray to put out this candle. It has 3 spray modes: single foam, dual foam, and dual foam with water.
First, let's get this pool party ready. I'll add 2 massive speakers to the DJ area.
Wow!
And upgrade this area to a stylish poolside bar.
I love it!
Here, I'll set up a full buffet spread.
Wow, so much food.
At each pool, I'll add a water slide. Our pool's upgraded. Now let's spray the foam. Yeah! Crazy!
Let's go foam.
Let's switch to dual spray mode.
Oh crap, the foam's on the food.
Hell yeah! I've got foam beer! This party looks fun!
Let's join in, honey.
This is the best party ever.
And it's Surf's Up pool.
Woohoo! This is the best day ever.
Surf's Up, baby. This pool is awesome.
Yeah!
Let's start the waves.
Let's ride the wave.
That wave was huge.
Awesome. Amazing. It's like surfing in the ocean.
This is so fun. I'm a water ninja.
How to build the wave generator. Number 1, build the motor assembly. First, I'll build the push arm. It helps link the motor and the wave pusher. I'll need 2 of them. Next, I'll build the main frame that hold the crank and the push arms. Add the push arms to the main frame. Now I'll build the gear mount where the motor goes and drives the crank. Add the motors. I'll choose a shape for the wave pusher unit. This line face looks perfect. Number 2, build the wave pusher. Connect to parts. Foam beads. Testing.
That was great. I'm ready for the next wave.
Hell yeah.
These waves are epic. What happened? Where did the waves go?
No waves? Refund.
Did someone hit the pause button?
Maybe the wave machine is broken?
Please be patient, everyone. We'll check the wave machine right away.
Hurry, buddy. They're getting angry.
At the wave making area.
Huh? Oh my god. Huh?
The water is too dirty. It jammed the machine. Maybe the problem's with the filter screen.
Oh no! It's a mess. We have to clean it. I'll make sure this mesh is shining like new. The trouble has been resolved. The machine's all good. Next wave coming up.
Yes, the waves are back.
Let's ride em like pros. What's that? You, that's not wave water.
The water is so dirty.
This pool is a disaster.
Ew! I'm not swimming in soup. No way.
Run, everyone.
This is so gross. Someone help me.
Someone call a cleanup crew. Quick.
Run, before it gets worse.
Huh? What should we do now?
Inside a laboratory.
What happened?
I hate everything in this room. I want a machine that destroys them all.
Okay.
The cutting machine. Chewy jelly.
Let's destroy them.
The jelly is being shredded. Success.
They're so soft.
Chewy burger.
Why aren't they cut into pieces?
Failed.
They are too chewy.
Cloud slime.
They look so sticky. Slime is stuck to the blades.
Failed.
This one might be easier.
Water balloon. Success. Orbeez. Success.
Now I have lots of...
Oh no, that lightning's way too close.
Move slowly. Don't panic.
Oh man, the wind's too strong.
Come on, start already. All right, hang on.
I need to find shelter right now. We need to prepare for an emergency right now. The parking lot's flooded. I've never seen the wind this strong before.
Is everyone okay? Look at the house!
And the power line is down.
It's okay. We're safe. Don't be scared. Your legs hurt. Don't worry. I'm calling for help right now.
Please hurry.
City Hospital. What is your emergency? A man is injured from debris and his leg hurts.
Got it, Lisa.
I just hope the roads aren't deep. I'm ready. Let's move.
We must be quick. This storm has left a mess.
Watch out for the water. This ambulance isn't a boat. there. Corner of north.
He's over there. We're going to help you.
How to build the mobile ambulance. Step 1. Build the ambulance body. Install the motor. Check operation. Step 2. Install emergency equipment. Intravenous drip. Hospital bed. Wheelchair. Install ambulance body into the frame.
Thank goodness you're here.
Hang in there. We'll take care of you. I'm going to check your wound now. You'll be fine. Just a minor dislocation.
Rest and you'll be fine.
You really made me feel a lot better because of you. I got help so fast.
We're here. The water's too high.
There's an old man trapped inside that house.
Is anyone there? Please help me.
Hold on. The ambulance is outside. He's hypothermic and in shock. We need to warm him up immediately. Mr. Henry, you're safe inside the ambulance now.
Heart rate's getting stable, around 75 beats per minute.
Thank you for coming to help me.
Liver, stomach, everything looks normal.
Just relax and rest now.
Hospital's ready for him. Let's move.
Fast food factory.
Let's begin. All right.
The pizza crust is ready.
How to build the topping filling machine. Install the engine. Add the topping station. Add the chain. Testing. Add the pizza toppings.
Oh yeah.
That's great. The batch of pizza is done. Let's move on to making burgers.
2,000 years later.
Boss, can we leave yet?
No, now you have to eat all the food.
What the hell? How?